4 things to consider of ways to make money. Choose your product, finding leads, system must be predictable, and you must pull the trigger right now. First, product. The product should be unique, not easy to copy or duplicate by others. Product should be a necessity. You must need this all the time and not seasonal. The product must be guaranteed and proven. Second, finding leads. Traditional way, recommending it personally, or modern way, generating leads via internet through social media like Facebook or Twitter. System must be predictable. This must be reliable, consistent, that can provide you a continuous income. And the fourth one, you must pull the trigger. This is the most important but not the least. In form of doing business, you need to be determined to make money. You must have your goal and why you think you want to do this business. Your success will be depending on you. No experience? No worries. If you do not know where and how to start, I will provide you step by step on how to set up the following. Set up your own blog for free using WordPress and how to start your online business. Watch part 2 on how to set up your blog. Let me know if there is something holding you back. You can drop me a note by visiting my blog. See you! Bye! This all the time and not seasonal, guaranteed and proven. The finding ha 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 ha
Income. Daddy,